while drawing with peaceful paint. Today we drawing and coloring in L for Lyrebird. We started the series of alphabet learn with birds. So first of all we draw the sketch of L for Lyrebird.